Do you know many people are having trouble with the sound on their Toshiba 55C350LU TV after removing a soundbar? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power connection. Ensure the power cord is plugged into a powered AC outlet and press the power button on the remote to activate the TV from standby mode. Step 2. Confirm power indicator. Check if the LED light on the TV is on, indicating that the TV is receiving power. Step 3. Verify input/output. Verify the correct input connection on the TV and the correct output connection on the external source, if one is connected. Step 4. Check volume settings. Check the volume settings and ensure that the mute mode is not activated. Step 5. Reset the TV. Try unplugging the TV from the AC outlet for 60 seconds, then plug it back in to reset the system. After these steps, your Toshiba 55C350LU TV should have sound again. Enjoy your viewing experience. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toshiba users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.